Well, hello and welcome back. My name's Mark, and this is part of mymusiclesson.ca, and there are some ideas here for your second guitar lesson. I'm going to talk about a couple of ideas today. One of them, we talked a little bit about the finger exercise idea and getting each of those fingers moving on the guitar neck, and I want to continue along that vein a little bit, or continue with that idea a little bit. And what we're going to do is we're basically going to look at what's called a chromatic scale. Okay? Now a chromatic scale, if you were to play it on a piano, would be basically white key, black key, white key, black key, every note in a row. Okay? In order to do that on guitar, we have to have a little bit of movement as far as the left hand is concerned. When we play a regular 1, 2, 3, 4, so we're basically going 1, 2, 3, 4 with each of the fingers across the neck of the guitar, because of the way that the guitar is tuned in standard tuning, we're actually skipping over some notes. Okay? So when we do what we call a chromatic scale, the idea is that we move away from ourselves 1 fret each time we change strings. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start at the 5th fret. You can't see the dots on the front of my guitar, but I'm going to start at the 2nd dot, which is the 5th fret. I'm going to play basically 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to move away to the 4th fret on the next string, away to the 3rd fret, away to the 2nd fret. I'm going to stay at the 2nd fret, and then I'm going to move away again on the 1st string. Okay? So basically, I move away a fret each string, except for from the 3rd string to the 2nd string, we stay at the 2nd fret, okay? Because the spacing of those strings is slightly different, okay? So one more time, starting from the 5th fret, we're 1, 2, 3, 4, moving away, moving away. 2nd fret, we stay. 1st fret for the 1st string. Okay? Now, we want to do this backwards as well as forwards. So if we think about where our pinky is like in between the 2 dots. It's at the 4th fret on the 1st string. So when we start to work back, we're going to track that pinky. And again, the 2nd and 3rd are the same. And the pinky is extending each time that we change strings. And that will bring us back, hopefully, to where we started. Okay? So a last recap, 5th fret, 1, 2, 3, 4, move away. Same fret, 1st fret. Back we go, pinky stretches, same fret, stretch it, and stretch it. Okay? As far as the pick is concerned, with either the 1, 2, 3, 4, which we covered before, or with a chromatic, you can start to experiment with the pick. In the beginning, I would pick all down, which is all quarter notes, okay? So we're always picking down towards the floor. As you start to get more comfortable, you can do things like play each note twice and do a down, up, or an alternate stroke. So we're down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, as we move across the scale. Again, once you gain some proficiency with that and you're feeling comfortable, you can go down, up on each note. And this is what we call alternate picking. If you do this kind of a thing when we reverse the left hand, okay? In other words, the 4, 3, 2, 1 coming back, our pick continues to do the down, up pattern. In other words, our picking doesn't change when we reverse the left hand, okay? So variations of the 4 fingers, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, that kind of a thing is really good. Anything you do forwards, mirror image, 4, 2, 3, 1 coming back. And then play around with that chromatic a little bit to get some movement.